Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 RAV4 Cruiser, stock reference number 5118. This shape runs from the 11th month 05 through to the 11th month 2012. It has a 2AZ, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ FE, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand fog light, left power door mirror, left rear door has one small dent and some scratches. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, left tail light, spare wheel cover, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, 5-speed manual gear shifter, manual type console, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, and second row seat headrests in black cloth. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.